Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 5.54 from the book Fundamental of Thermodynamics by BORGNAKKE. So the statement of the problem is a constant pressure piston cylinder assembly contains 0.2 kg water, 8 saturated vapor at 400 kilopascal. So in given data, piston cylinder arrangement is given and contains mass 0.2 kilogram of water. Working fluid is water. So we will use steam table. A saturated vapor at 400 kilopascal and pressure is constant. So P1 is equal to P2 is equal to 400 kilopascal and water is initially saturated. Water is initially saturated vapor. Saturated vapor mean on PV diagram this is pressure in kilopascal and this is volume in meter cube per kg. So saturation curve will be straight horizontal line. In initial form is this saturated vapor. This is saturated liquid line. Saturated vapor line, sorry. Saturated vapor line. So initial form is this. It means that Vf is equal to Vg and Hf is equal to Hg and pressure is equal to 400 kilopascal. Water is initially saturated. It is now cooled so that the water occupy half of the original volume. After cooling, volume it become half. After cooling, V2 is equal to V1 divided by 2. Find the heat transfer in the process. Required is to find Q in the process. So here we start solution. So according to first law of thermodynamics, for a constant pressure process, Q is equal to M into H2 minus H1. So M is given and first we find H1 and H2. So from state 1, first we find H1 and V1. Sorry, this is V1. Now initially we know that as initially water is saturated vapor, so it means that from saturated steam table at pressure P1 is equal to 400 kilopascal, H1 is equal to Hg and V1 is equal to Vg. So this is steam table, saturated water table, and this is pressure column. So pressure is 400. So at 400 this is Hg. So at 400 Hg is 2738.53. 2738. Hg. H1 is equal to Hg. 2738.53 kilojoule per kg. And V1 is equal to Vg. So this is table for V. So this is Vg. This is pressure column. So at 400 Vg is 0.46246. 0.46246 meter cube per kg. Now as it is in the given data, the volume V2 is half V2 is equal to V1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.46246 meter cube per kg divided by 2. So V2 is equal to 0.23123 meter cube per kg. This is V2. Now from state 2 we find H2. So from state 2 we find H2 and V2, because from V2 we will find X2. So first we check whether V2 is in mixed region or in superheated region. So from saturated steam table at pressure P2 is equal to, pressure is constant 400 kilopascal, find Vf and Vg. So at pressure 400 kilopascal, Vf is, this is Vf is 0.001084. This is Vf. Vf is 0.001084 meter cube per kg, and Vg is 0.46246 meter cube per kg. So the value of V2 is between these two values, as V2 is greater than Vf and less than Vg. So steam or water is finally in mixed region after cooling. So in the it will be almost here. This is point 1 and this is point 2. So for this first we find X2, and from X2 we will find H2. So from the Vf and Vg, first we find X2. So as V2 is equal to Vf plus X2 Vg minus Vf. So rearrange this equation and find X2. X2 is equal to Vf, V2 minus Vf divided by Vg minus Vf. V2 is 0.24123 0.23123 minus Vf is 0.001084 meter cube per kg, and Vg is 0.46246 minus Vf is 0.001084. This is 0.001084. So unit is meter cube per kg. So unit will be cancelled, and calculate the value of X2, which is equal to 0.4988. Now we find H2. So for H2 first we find HF and Hg. So from saturated steam table at pressure P2 is equal to 400 kilopascal, find HF and Hg. So HF is equal to, at 400 kilopascal, this is HF and this is Hg. HF is 604.73 604.73 kilojoule per kg, and Hg is equal to 2738.53 kilojoule per kg. Now we can find H2. H2 is equal to HF plus X2 Hg minus HF. So H2 is equal to, HF is 604.73 kilojoule per kg plus X2 is 0.4988 and Hg is 2738.53 minus 604.73 kilojoule per kg. Now H2 is equal to, simplify this and find H2, which is equal to 1669.06 kilojoule per kg. Now Q is equal to M into H2 minus H1. So Q is equal to, the value of M is 0.2 kilogram, H2 is 1669.06, and H1 is 2738.53 kilojoule per kg. Kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram. So Q is equal to minus 213.894 kilojoule. And negative sign mean that heat is rejected, because cooling heat is rejected. So heat rejected is equal to this is 213.894 kilojoule. So this is the final answer. And for more problems, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.